Hey guys, welcome to Keep Naturals and DIY, and how are you doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow your hair with this recipe. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. For those new to my channel, my name is Gift, and on this channel I talk about natural hair. I also do DIY, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can join my family and we could interact while growing our hair together. So guys, this is black pepper in English, and also it's called uziza seed. I pounded the black pepper. You can also blend it. This is the outcome of the pounded black pepper. So I'm going ahead to add hot water to the pounded black pepper. So you can add the desired amount of water. Then you stir very well and leave for a period of time, say 5 minutes, so the nutrients can get into the water. Then after that, you sieve out your black pepper spray. Some of the benefits of black pepper is that it reduces hair fall, it promotes hair growth, and it removes dandruff. So guys, this black pepper is very good for hair, especially if you want to regrow your hair. You can try this out and let me know how it feels in the comment section. So guys, the black pepper spray is ready, so I'm going ahead to put it into my spray bottle. Then I'll show you how to apply it on your hair. So guys, make sure that your hair is clean. If you are on cornrow like myself, you don't need to worry. We are going to apply the spray like that onto our hair. Then make sure as you spray the black pepper water, you use your hand to massage the water into your hair like the way I'm doing. But if you are not on cornrow or if you are not on braid, you divide your hair into different sections. Then on each section, you apply the black pepper spray and massage very well. Make sure that you apply this spray till your hair gets saturated, but please be careful so that it won't get messy. This recipe smells nice. You can actually apply this on your hair 3 times in a week. You don't need to wash it out. Apply it, then you use a cover cap to cover your hair